When I was a little kid, I used to draw houses and play with Legos. I graduated in engineering and realized that architecture is really what I wanted to do, so I went back.
We work with ASU a lot, and one of the programs we do is bringing interns in every summer, which is a really great thing for us.
They have a really great program here where we have a mentor.
Getting the new, fresh interns in just brings a whole level of excitement and freshness to the firm.
They bring new ideas and fresh new technologies that I never even heard of, back in the day when I was in school.
There's much more of an emphasis on how the building will be in the space and its relationship to the climate. I really like that interaction of how the building works.
When I graduate, I want to practice architecture. Just by the nature of kind of being the matchmaker, ASU enabled my ability to be here this summer and be at Architekton and thrive.